Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I'm sitting in a 2018 GMC Terrain. This is the second generation and I will show you how to check the engine oil pressure. This video should apply to second generation GMC Terrains made from 2018 all the way up to 2024. Now I will show you how to do this on this one 2018, and I also have a 2020. I will show you on the other one as well, because I believe this menu here in the instrument cluster might be just a bit different. So I will show you on both of them. Also, if you like this video and it was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so luckily you don't have to manually measure the engine oil pressure on these vehicles. You can see it through the vehicle menu options. So you'll be using these menu buttons on the right side of the steering wheel. So first you want to press the right button to get to this second menu, right? And once you are here, you want to scroll through the menu options with either up or down buttons until you reach the engine oil pressure. Okay, remaining oil life. And here is the oil pressure. So in my case it's 192, and this is a 1.5 liter engine in this vehicle. So that's how you do it. Okay, now I'm sitting in a 2020, so this one is just a little bit different. This menu here is a tiny bit different for some reason. Now you will also be using these menu buttons. So what you want to do, you want to press the left menu button in this case to get to this main menu, and then you will go down to options and you will select options. And then you see here, if you scroll through these menu options, you'll get traction control units and so on. You will get to info pages. And once you get to info pages, you will press the right menu button, because first you have to actually enable this option to be able to see it. So edit list, and here there's a bunch of stuff, you see. So you can choose what the vehicle will display. So in this case, I'm gonna select the fuel economy, but also you have coolant temperature, you have the oil pressure as well. So this has to be selected. Then go back, and then under the info pages you want to scroll up or down, I believe. And your it's not gonna be here actually. So I want to go back. Then you want to, this main menu, you want to select the info, and now scroll through the options. It should be here. Oil life remaining, tire pressure, fuel economy, timer, battery voltage. Okay, oil pressure, here it is. And this one, this is a 2.0 liter engine in this one. Okay, that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.